Hi folks, it's your barista trainer Sajan. Let's make a cup of coffee that makes you go, that's good. First, fill up the tank with filtered water. Fill up the hopper with your choice of beans. Take your empty portafilter and tear it on your scale. Grind your coffee directly into the portafilter. You're aiming for 15 grams on the scales. Tamp the coffee with firm, even pressure to create a level bed. Gently lock your portafilter into the group head. Place your cup and scales underneath and tear the scales to zero. While scales aren't essential here, they help ensure consistency. Press the menu button and turn the dial to highlight the double shot custom button. Click the dial to select. Press the double shot button and let the espresso extract. You'll need to press the button again to stop it. If you're using the scales, target around 40 grams in the cup. Aim for a total shot time of 27 to 34 seconds. If it's coming out too fast, you can turn the dial on the left of the machine clockwise to slower pour. Or coming out too slow, turn the dial anti-clockwise to faster pour. Now let's work on your milk. Start by pouring out your milk to just below the spout. Open the steam wand and purge, meaning you don't see any water, just steam, and turn it off. Pull the steam wand and guide the jug in using the spout. Keep the tip just below the milk surface and slightly off center to create a vortex. You should hear a gentle tearing sound as the milk stretches. You want to stop once the jug becomes too hot to hold comfortably. Pour your finest latte art and enjoy.